So here's a quick hack in cleaning your Dyson cordless vacuum using, yes, wet wipes. So you have one of these at home. This may be handy in cleaning a Dyson. So I have here a Dyson V12. The first step you need to do is to remove the battery. You don't want the motor to be running, to be starting when you clean this area. So we'll be cleaning this area inside and this outer shell here. So the first thing you need to do is to push this lever forward for the Dyson V12 and newer models. So you push this out and you can see that press this red thing here to pull the thing out. Next step is to grab a wet wipe and carefully scrape off all of these nasty stuff here. So I used this the other day to clean the mattress. So let's just carefully grab this wet wipe and clean everything. So you can see that everything sticks right in here. So wipe and get another sheet of wet wipes. You can wipe this mesh filter piece right here. The great thing about using these wet wipes is it's not totally wet. It's just damp enough for you to remove all of this nasty gunk out and sanitize it. Also, once you're done here, you can see that it's quite clean. So you can wipe the inner areas right here. Set this aside, wait for it to thoroughly dry before you put back this outer shell. So grab the wet wipe and wipe these areas. So this is, for me, this is a better alternative than submerging this in water. So you wipe the inner and outer areas. Make sure that all of the gunk comes off. Carefully wipe the inner and outer areas. And wipe the bottom area right here. Carefully fold the wet wipes and wipe off all of the stuff out, and you can see that it sticks. All of the nasty stuff sticks on this wet wipe. Let's get another sheet to wipe this off. All right, so it's mostly clean. So let this dry and let this thing dry before putting it back together, before putting back the battery. And I hope this video helps you quickly clean your Dyson vacuum, so as part of your maintenance routine. And if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.